Magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ito po inyong lingkod, si JomarX, and today we will be reviewing this very beautiful GQH VZ61. This is a modernized version of the Russian, not Spets, nice, could be, we don't know, tank gun, which is they use as a portable gun in their tanks and airplane pilots. It's very beautiful. Huh? Scorpion. It has trades here. Wait, trades. And M-lock. And that's it for the trades. This is an all nylon. And, metal outer barrel, metal inner barrel. Nylon, metal trigger guard, nylon trigger. Ooh, this is also nylon. It's nice, look at this. The grip is also, but only for the lefties. I don't know if the GQH love the lefties, but this fits me perfectly. And I like this one. Features. It has a built-in ETU, so it has but only basic functions. Semi, safe, full auto. So it's nice. Why I know it has a MOSFET is because it has, what do you call this one? This is not mechanical. This is switch-based. Battery capacity, very limited. So, you're basically stuck with this one. So, it's one of its cons. And you need to be very careful in putting this battery because you might pull the motor out, the cables out, or things that you might destroy your unit. We know because it already happened here. So be very careful. But it's still easily repairable. No problem with that one. Next one is weight. This one is very light. It's only, hello. 1.2 kilograms. Very light. It's basically a pistol. Upgrades. There will be no upgrades on this one. It will be all stock forever. It has a specialized gearbox, which is, I think it's similar to the Lehui ones. Okay. So, I do not think that we will upgrading this one in the future. Parts, unlikely, but we don't know in the future. This unit comes with a single magazine with very limited gels. It's only around here, so less than 200. So it's one of the demerits also, but it looks cool. Range, it has no hop up, but it has a space for, since it has a standard thread, you can easily put a hop up on this one, especially the one I'm selling. Price, this is 5,500 here in Hydro Blasters MNL. Comes with battery, charger, and few gels, and one magazine, and that's basically it. So, is it worth it? It depends. If you're a collector, it's very nice. Personally, I like it. If I have extra money, I will buy this one. See, it's look really cool. Uh, we'll see in the future. We'll never know. I like unique guns. It's looks nice in your collection. Okay? Yeah. So nice. Oh, it has a button here to release. So it locks in place. It fits us in for the left piece. I don't know. Anywho, if you have any comments, suggestions, violent reactions, do not hesitate to put it down in the comment section down below. And I'll answer it as soon as possible. Hanggang sa muli, paalam!